Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Premier League's app account. The process is really easy. I'll show you how. Stay with me. Let's get started. Before that, be sure you've installed the app on your phone and you have already created an account. If you haven't done that already, then you can go through our other tutorials. We've also posted tutorial on how to install this app and how to create an account on the app. So first of all, open the app on your phone. And this is the homepage of the app. Now when you are on the homepage, you'll have to tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen that says more. Here you can see the sign in option at the top. Tap on it. You can also log in using your Facebook, Twitter or Google account, but I'll show you how to log in with your email address. So enter your email address on this box. Then enter your password here. After you're done, tap on sign in. And as you can see, we've been logged into our account successfully. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for further tutorials. Thank you.